Today I'll show you how to brew a delicious cup of green tea right in your kitchen with the simple steps you can try at home. Let's get started. First, put about 1 tablespoon, roughly 4 to 5 grams of tea leaves into your teapot. Next, pour hot water into 2 teacups, filling each about 80% full, about a quarter cup or 60 milliliter each. This helps cool the water from boiling down to about 176 to 185 Fahrenheit. Now, pour the slightly cold hot water into the teapot and let the tea steep. About 30 seconds to 1 minute is perfect. For a mellow flavor, let the cup cool a little longer, down to 158 to 167 Fahrenheit. When pouring, make sure to divide evenly between cups so the flavor is the same. And don't forget to pour out every last drop. That's where the best flavor is. And always use filtered soft water or simply fill a pitcher with the tap water in the evening and leave it overnight before use. And that's how you brew the most delicious cup of green tea right in your kitchen. Hold the cup in your dominant hand and place your other hand on the bottom. A small ritual, but one that can bring comfort and you can relax deeply. My grandmother always enjoyed her green tea with a small piece of black sugar from Amami Island, where our family is from. She would take a sip, pause for a moment, and feel refreshed, ready to return her work weaving Oshima Tsumugi, that's the traditional kimono fabric. For the second brew, use water at 176 to 185 Fahrenheit again, but only steep for 10 to 20 seconds. You can enjoy a third or even a fourth cup with a lighter aroma. I hope this video was helpful and that your next cup of green tea tastes better than ever. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!